Good afternoon everyone. So today I am Shriya Narendra from class 7A. I am doing an experiment on the property of light, that rectilinear propagation of light. So materials which are required for this activity are, so this one we have to take here is a candle that is stuck to this cardboard piece, a paper that is rolled into a tube like this, and a matchbox to light the candle. First thing, now we can start with the experiment. So first thing we have to do is to take the candle and light it using a matchstick. So now I've lighted the candle. I'm going to see using this paper whether I can see the light or no. So when we see, we can see that the light is easily being seen through a straight pipe or a straight roll of paper. Now I'm going to bend this tube in half. Now I'm going to keep this over here near the light, but as we can see, we can only see white color paper but not the light. So when I leave it open through a straight tube, I can see the light. So this proves that light only travels in a straight line, and that the phenomenon of light traveling in a straight line is rectilinear propagation of light. Thank you.
My name is Aditya. I am from class 7A. Today I am going to do an activity showing that light travels along a straight line, or it is using rectilinear propagation. Things needed for the activity are a stick, torchlight, scissors, 3 small strips of paper with small holes on the upper part of the papers, and a rectangular sheet of paper for making the base. First step, take a paper and cut it into 3 small pieces with equal size and make a hole on the top of them. Now, let's take our rectangular sheet of paper for making the base. Let's join half to half. Now, let's make 3 half cuts. 1, 2, let's final cut 3. We made the 3 half cuts. Let's do it nicely on the sides. Let's place it here on the table. Now, let's insert these 3 strips of paper into this. Be careful about that. While inserting, make sure that the holes on the paper are along straight line. Let's look there are holes are in a straight line or not. Make sure that the holes are along a straight line. For testing that, let's take a stick. Let's do. Yeah, it's along a straight line. Now let's keep it in front of a dark color paper or a cardboard. Now let's take our torchlight on it. Let's paste through here. Yeah, it is reflecting here, which state that our light is traveling along a straight line, or it is using rectilinear propagation. Now let's take a candle light and let's place it in front of our strips. Now let's see. The light starting from this strip of paper, ending at the strip of paper and reaching here. Look, you can see here nicely. This light is reaching here. This also states that light is traveling along a straight line, or it is using rectilinear propagation. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, I am Rihan from class 7A. In this video, I am presenting an activity of physics that shows the rectilinear propagation of light. To do this activity, we need to take a paper and fold it like this. Now we have to make 3 cuts on the paper with a scissor and place it aside. Now we have to take another paper and cut it into 3 pieces. Now we have to take those papers and draw a circle on it and cut the circle through which the light passes. Now we have to take the first paper which we folded and made 3 cuts on it. Now we have to take the papers on which we made a hole and fix it onto the cuts on the first paper. From this activity, you can understand that light travels in a straight line. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is an activity to prove that light travels on a straight line. For this activity, we need 3 cards of the same size and make a hole in the 3 cards with the same position. Now for the base, take a rectangular sheet of paper and make 3 cuts in it. Now insert the cards into these 3 cuts and place it against a wall or a cardboard piece. This wall or cardboard piece will serve as a screen for us. Now take a torch bulb or a candle light and place it against this hole. Now you can see the light is projected on the wall. This property of light traveling on a straight line is known as rectilinear property of the light. So in the end of this activity, we can prove that light travels on a straight line. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Ginda of class 7A. Today I am going to show you a physics project. I have made a hole in these 3 papers. Now we are inserting this torchlight into this paper. You can see the reflection of this this light passing through this hole and reflecting on this cardboard. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Shriya Narendra of class 7A. Today I will be doing a simple activity to show that light travels in a straight line or the rectilinear propagation of light. This activity can be easily done with the help of following the materials. So the first thing we'll be taking is 3 cardboard sheets of the same size and with the same holes. The distance in between them can vary with a little centimeters, but the hole should always be in a straight line such that you can see the other end easily. Then I have taken a height of books here. I have also taken a candle that is stick to this cardboard paper and placed it right in this position so that it can be easily seen through the cardboard holes. We also need a matchbox for this so that we can light the candle. So let's start. So first we are going to light the candle here. After lighting the candle, we can bring our camera right over here and see through the holes. So when it is placed in a straight direction or a straight path, we can see the candle flames. We can also observe that the whole size of the holes also keep on decreasing as we go towards the end. So when we see through the hole, as the cardboard is lifted up and the hole is not there over here, we cannot see the light as it only travels in a straight path. We can also prove this activity again using a torch light. After switching off the lights, when we keep a torch light, here you can see that on the wall a small hole is being formed because of the shadow of the cardboard. That is the only place where the light could easily flow, and that is why in the surroundings there is only black color because of the cardboard sheet, and only the hole is white in color. This in turn proves that light travels in a straight line. The inference of this activity can be that the light always travels in a straight line and forms a shadow when an opaque object comes in between its path or in between the straight line.